Welcome to the Daily Blizzard, and before we go to how not to do a method, well, we actually show you how to do a method. We're going to go to Michigan for some street to park to awesomeness. Now it's all about the how not to, and if you've seen the last one with the front side board slide from Seth, we're going to do a method. This is a trick you damn right need to know how to do. Take it away, Mikey.
Hey, what's up? This is Mikey Noble, and I'll show you how not to do a method air. Number 1, try to tweak it out, get that donkey kick going. Don't fool yourself, a back scratcher isn't a method air. Don't catch too much edge on the takeoff, or you won't be able to get it back and you'll land 90. Step 3, how to do it right. You can grab wherever you want, doesn't really matter. I like to keep it next to the binding. Just tweak it as much as you can, that's the whole point of doing method airs.
Thank you for watching the Daily Blizzard. Tune in tomorrow. And we got Facebook. We haven't done that in a while. See you later.